Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a senior product manager at LifeStraw. I'm going to be walking you through how to set up your LifeStraw Home water filter pitcher or dispenser. This is the LifeStraw Home glass water filter pitcher. It is available in a variety of colors and is made from a hand-blown borosilicate glass. We also have the pitcher available in 2 BPA-free plastic sizes, 7 and 10 cup, and dispensers in 10, 18, and 35 cup sizes. The maintenance instructions in these videos apply to all LifeStraw Home pitcher and dispenser products in all sizes, colors, and materials. LifeStraw Home products include 2-stage water filtration. The first stage is a hollow fiber membrane, which removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. The second stage is an activated carbon filter, which filters contaminants such as PFAS, lead, and mercury while dramatically improving the taste of your tap water. The LifeStraw Home products come with your first set of filters included. All LifeStraw Home pitchers and dispensers utilize the same 2-stage filters and are compatible with this product. For every product sold, a child receives safe water for a year. The instruction card includes the carbon filter not yet installed and has setup instructions on the front and cleaning and storage instructions on the back. We recommend holding onto this card as it has important information for future reference. There is also a user manual included. This is the lid, filter housing, bottom cap, pitcher body, and silicone base. Note that the membrane microfilter is pre-installed. We are going to start off by unwrapping the carbon and ion exchange filter. Carbon filters can absorb contaminants from the environment, so we recommend keeping the carbon filters sealed in their packaging until you are ready to use them. We will run the carbon filter under tap water for 1 minute to get it wet and rinse off any dust or debris. Then we will remove this filter housing and wash out the pitcher body with a mild detergent. You should also wash your filter housing as part of setup and regular care. First, remove the membrane microfilter by pressing it out of the housing. We do this because we don't want to get soap or detergent inside because it can clog the filter. Next, wash the inside and outside of the housing with soap and water. Finally, pop the filter back into place by pressing it through the bottom. Now we are going to install the carbon filter. Place your carbon filter inside and press in the bottom cap. Now we're going to run 1 batch of water through the device. You should discard this water. The filtration rate may be slow the first couple of batches as air becomes displaced from the filter, but it will improve over time. In general, the filtration rate is a speed that allows the products sufficient time to remove bacteria and absorb chemicals and heavy metals. A good flow rate should be a ½ cup per minute dependent on your tap water. We recommend a weekly cleaning of your LifeStraw Home product. First, remove the filter housing from the pitcher or dispenser body. Remove the carbon filter and membrane microfilter. Clean the body and filter housing using a mild detergent and water and rinse well. For deeper cleaning of your pitcher, please see our deep cleaning video, which covers caring for and cleaning your filters, as well as the dispenser body and housing. For more information, you can visit our support pages on our website where you can find how-to videos, FAQs, and copies of our user manual. You can also email info@lifestraw.com.